Good afternoon, children. Today we will begin with chapter 4 in EVS 2, that is Shivaji's childhood. Chapter 4 Shivaji's childhood. In this lesson, we will learn about birth of Shivaji, Shivaji's childhood, Shahaji Raje towards the Mughals, founding of a new Nizam Shahi, Jijabai and Shivaji in Karnataka. So let's begin. Those were very unsettled days. Shah Jahan from the north had dispatched a big army to conquer the Deccan. Dispatched means sent. Shah Jahan had sent a big army to attack the Deccan. Pune, the principal town of Shahaji Raje's Jagir, means it was an important place of Shahaji Raje's Jagir. And this Jagir was burnt to the ground by Adil Shah of Bijapur. Shahaji Raje was in real trouble. He found himself between the devil and the deep sea and was constantly on the run. Means Shahaji Raje was attacked by his enemies. Now, children, who were his enemies? The Mughals and Sultan Adil Shah. They both were attacking Shahaji Raje's Jagir. And during this time, Jijabai was pregnant. That is Shahaji Raje's wife. Jijabai was pregnant. And the great question which worried Shahaji Raje was some place where she could remain in safety and peace. Shahaji Raje wanted to keep Jijabai in a safe place, very far away from the attacks of the enemies. Then he remembered the Shivneri fort and decided to send Jijabai there. Shivneri was a strong fort near Junar in Pune district. It had steep cliffs on four sides. As you can see in the picture, there were deep valleys, strong fortifications. It had very big walls so that the enemies couldn't enter inside the fort, as well as it had massive doors, very big size doors. This strong fort was then in charge of Vijay Raj, a relative of the Bhosles. He agreed to give protection to Jijabai. So Shahaji Raje left her there and marched against the Mughals. And then the golden day dawned. that is, on the auspicious day of Falgun Vadya Tritiya in the year 1551 of the Shaka era, that is, on 19th February 1630, to the sound of pipes and drums playing in the Nagar Khana, Jijabai gave birth to a son. All the residents of the fort were overjoyed. All the people were very, very happy. Then, with appropriate ceremony, on the 12th day, the child was named Shivaji, as the child was born on Fort Shivneri. So, children, why was the child named Shivaji? Because he was born on Fort Shivneri. Shivaji passed the first 6 years of his life in highly unsettled conditions. Even so, Jijabai did not neglect his education. Jijabai saw that Shivaji was given proper education. Every evening, she would light the household lamps and then call Shivaji to her. She would shower all her affection on him and tell him stories of Rama, Krishna, Bhim, Abhimanyu, of many pious persons, that is, holy persons, and saints, that instilled in him a respect and honor for all saints and great men. Because of this, Shivaji used to respect all the saints and all the great people because of the teachings given by his mother. On other occasions, she would recite to him the devotional songs of Namdev, Dhyaneshwar, Eknath. Shivaji liked to listen to the exploits of brave men. Shivaji felt that on growing up, he should also display valor like them. He also wanted to fight and protect his people. Now, children from poor families came to play with Shivaji. Sometimes he visited them in their huts and shared their simple meal of onion and bhakri with great relish. Shivaji used to go to the poor families' home and eat their simple food of onion and bhakri very happily, and he used to enjoy eating it. They invented interesting games to pass the time. The children of the Mavlas were like birds in the forest. They would imitate the sound of the cuckoo or parrot or tiger to perfection. They could very easily make the sound of the birds and animals. Who? The Mavlas. Their pastime was building small forts of earth. Like how you make forts during Diwali. Like that, Shivaji and his friends used to make small forts of earth as their pastime. Sometimes they used to make earthen elephants and horses also, made from earthen, that is from the soil. They also used to play hide and seek or played with a ball or top. Shivaji joined them in all these games and became popular with them. All the children of the Mavlas used to love Shivaji, and even Shivaji used to enjoy playing with the children of the Mavlas. So that's all for today. We will continue the lesson in our next class. Thank you.